First, click on the link provided in the description. Once there, click the code button, then the download zip option. After the zip file has been downloaded, extract it to your computer. Next, open the folder named Sierra and Newer, then go to with Shadow and then Normal. Right-click on the file named Install, and select Open to begin installing the macOS cursors on your Windows PC. Once installed, select the macOS cursor from the drop-down menu in your mouse settings, click Apply, and then OK. And there you have it. macOS cursors are now successfully installed on your Windows PC.